Okay, so one thing we're going to learn first is this change of base formula. See, our calculator will only, I guess we should start there. See, on our calculator, we only have the log button and the ln button. And as we learned in class last week, the log button is log base 10. Okay, and the ln button is log base e. So if we have 10 to some power, it's really easy. We can just hit it, and that'll tell us a whole number answer or whatever. And the same thing with ln. But sometimes we are asked to find logarithms of other bases, like this is base 2. And if you look at the change of base formula, it's on that page in the textbook. You'll see it's really easy. We just take the base goes in the denominator. The number we want to find the log of is in the numerator, and you're just changing it to either. You can change to either log base 10 of 10, or you can say log base 10 of 2. It's also appropriate if you want. Sometimes some people like ln better. You can also change it to ln. You can say ln of 10 over the ln of 2. And let's go back to this. So either way works. You can use either button. You're going to get the same answer regardless. And I'll show you that in a minute. For this one, this says 10 to some power is 10. Well, we know that's 1. Now, 10 to some power is 2. I don't know, but I know I've got a calculator. So we could write that. That would be one answer to this. This would be one way to write that answer. I could write 1 over log 2, and that would be an exact answer because I'm not doing any rounding. We can also do this on a calculator. With ln, it's not so slick, and then we're going to just need to do a calculator. So let me show you both of these on the calculator. Okay. So I can do 1 divided by the log of 2, get an answer. If I wanted to be really lazy, I could even say log of 10 divided by log of 2. So log 10 divided by log 2. I get the same answer, so you knew that. Now what if I had wanted to use ln? Here, let me drag that off. If I wanted to use the ln feature instead. So for that one, I'm just going to press the ln button right there. ln 10, don't forget to close your parentheses, divided by ln 2. If you look at that, you'll see we get the exact same answer. So it doesn't matter whether you use ln or whether you use common log base 10. You're going to get the same answer regardless. One thing I am going to ask you later on is to rewrite a log base 10 into log base e or ln. But we won't go there yet. Don't worry about that. So this one, we're going to evaluate log base 5 of 100. Well, I'll tell you what. I'm going to pretend you're going to stop the video for a minute. You're going to try that yourself. Yes, the answer's all worked out in the book. See if you can't do it yourself. Okay, so I'm going to pretend you tried to work this out yourself. So there's a couple of ways to do this. If I need an exact answer, I can treat this as log base 100 over log base 5. Now what's nice about using common log is 100 is the same thing as 10 squared. So I could think this is log of 10 squared. Well, this says 10 to what power is 10 squared? That's going to be 2. And log base 5, we don't know. I mean, that's some strange number. So that's an exact answer. If we had to find a decimal approximation, we can just type in 2 divided by log 5. Whoops, sorry about that. Let's see, 2 divided by log 5. And that would be that answer to that question, which if you look in the book, I'm sure you'll see that's the same answer they had. Okay, so that's change of base formula. Hope that helps.